Well, we have it screwed down all the way over to our missing sheet and all the way over to the other roof. And so my next deal is I need to cut those branches back. That tree is going to have to come down. Hate to do it, nice cedar tree like that, but it's not a huge one. So anyway, I'm going to try and get up inside there and cut those branches back. And I'm not going to climb up on the roof until I have somebody out here to watch for me. Oh, missed it. There was a hummingbird just came over to say hello. Anyway, I'll have my wife come out and watch so she can give me mouth-to-mouth resuscitation if I fall off the ladder. You know what I mean? Clear. Okay, we have all the branches out of the way now. So now I can go up there and pull that sheet back. I gotta do a little sweeping. And I'll take you up as I screw down the last piece. That is the last piece across the back. Where were you guys when I was wrestling with that thing? That thing ain't light. But there it is. It's inside under cover. And you can see that I've got my door opening framed. I have a 5-foot opening there. And I don't know if those ramps will stay there or not. They're pretty good angle right where they are. So I may just get couple more pieces about the same width and put them in there in between those pressure treated ones. But we'll see. That's what I had, that's what I used. So yeah, let me take you back out back and I'll show you what I finished up on the roof. It's right about 80 degrees outside. Have no idea what it is inside, but we'll find out. That's actually a little bit under 80 in here. That's pretty good considering it has a tin roof. And you can see from inside that I got my last piece put in, such as it is. The purlin there is pretty bad. I missed it a couple of places I see, but I put a new one in back there, and that one should make up for it. So let's go outside and see what's up there. Well, you can see I started stripping the siding off back here. I'm using that inside. You'll see that in a second. Let me get up the ladder with me here. Okay, you'll forgive the shaky cam. At the end of the day, going on 5 o'clock. And I've been out here all day. I did stop to have a Mountain Dew and a ladyfinger, whatever you call them things. Cinnamon, whatever. I got most of the trash off the roof. You can see how it is over there. And I showed you before. But I need to get my hose up here and wash that off. That stuff is ground in there or become like dirt. And it's up underneath. So so I couldn't screw those sheets down. I didn't want to leave all the junk up underneath. So I've got to buy another piece of hose. It wouldn't quite make it over here. And as I had thought, the piece that had come off the back was over there. And you notice that I trimmed the tree branches up so that they're not on the roof anymore. And I got this screwed down pretty good here. And yeah, so once I get this washed off and cleaned up a little bit, dried out, then I'll start slobbering on my roof sealer. And we'll do about, I think I have enough to do as much as I have swept off there already. I'm not going to worry about further over in. That's pretty flimsy over in there until I get it fixed back here. All that's going to come off eventually, one piece at a time. So that's where we're at. Part of my view out there. Once I get it cleared off down here in front, get a lot of this lower stuff growing down the bank off, I'll be able to see down into the valley below me and then on up to the ridge beyond. How cool would that be? Thanks for watching, for commenting, and for subscribing. Till next time, bye for now.